This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. I'll be doing the analysis from the higher time frame to lower time frame and will be sharing you the current support and resistance levels. Please use these levels as a reference for deciding on your trade direction and entry and exit. So when we look at today's economic calendar, today is Friday, May 13th, and we have more of low impacting news coming up. At 7:30 p.m. we have medium impacting news on US dollar related currency pairs. Again at 9:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, we have medium impacting news coming up on US dollar related currency pairs. So request you to plan your trades based on this economic calendar events. Let us begin our analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, we can clearly see that the current price action has broken this support level and it is continuously on a very strong bearish trend reversal. Previously we had this trend line which was giving little bit of hope that the bullish trend reversal can happen, but currently when we notice the price action, it has broken this trend line or support line and it is in a very strong bearish trend reversal. So the current trend in daily time frame is also in a very strong bearish trend. So when we mark the support and resistance level, next level of support is going to be around 1786 to 1760. This is where the bullish trend reversal started. So I have taken this level as a support level, and if the price action comes to this level, it will be a 100% retracement on the bullish trend. Looking at the current trend, looks like it is going to achieve these targets by today itself. If these targets are broken, I'll come up with new targets tomorrow. And even if the price action goes on the bullish trend reversal, these levels which had acted as a support level will be acting as a resistance level, and we also have the trend line which will be acting as a resistance line. Let us wait and see how this candle closes today, whether it is going to be a red candle or a green candle. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. In my yesterday's analysis, I had highlighted that the current price action was trading within a bearish channel pattern, and when we look at the price action over here, it has clearly broken this bearish channel pattern. So now this bearish channel pattern will become invalid. Only these resistance levels and support levels will be valid. But on the other hand, this support line will be acting as a resistance line if the price action wants to go on a bullish trend reversal. So in hourly time frame, I am drawing one more support line. So in the past, we have noticed price action testing this support line and to bounce back on the bullish trend reversal. Currently, we are noticing the price action is in a very strong bearish trend. So we can expect the price action to take support on this trend line or at the higher time frame support level, bounce back on the bullish side. But still the overall price action is in a very strong bearish trend, and also we have lots of resistance levels on the bullish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in blue color boxes are the resistance levels for the current price action, and the values in yellow color are the support and resistance levels from the higher time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, I've drawn a resistance line and support line. We can clearly notice that it is in a very strong bearish trend. Every time it bounces back on the bearish trend reversal, it breaks the previous low. So it is a confirmation that it is on a very strong bearish trend. And when we look at the range also, It is not a exactly parallel line, it is widening on the downside. Currently the price action has taken support near to this trend line or support line, and it is trying to go on a retracement. But we already know that these levels are very strong resistance level for the current price action. It has to break these resistance levels in order to start its bullish trend reversal. As long as the price action is trading within this resistance line and the support line, we can expect the trend to continue in 30 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I'm in 5 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 5 minutes time frame, currently it has tested the 30 minutes time frame support level and it is showing sign of retracement. But overall, when we look at the price action, it is still in a very strong bearish trend. Even if the price action goes on a bullish retracement, we can expect it to take resistance at the higher time frame resistance level of 1832 and to bounce back on the bearish trend reversal. Again, for the 5 minutes time frame, I would recommend you to draw trend lines like this to note the current trend of the price action, and whenever the price action breaks this resistance line, you can take trades on the bullish side. But overall trend from the higher time frame is on a bearish trend. I would not recommend you to take trades against the trend. So you can wait for the price action to bounce back from this resistance level or from this resistance line to take trades on the bearish trend reversal. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame, and values in yellow color boxes are the resistance and support levels from the higher time frame. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.